Hay na makor sa tulog.
Hello, guys.
Marago na laya si pala ha.
Nor Gabriel.
Ito lang ko pa luluro yan misugat riya.
Guys.
Pangarag na yun ko pa yan.
That's top. That's fita.
Ako ganun siya ito ko
That's
pa yan.
fita. Yes.
Pita guys, pita.
Pita
guys, pita.
Ito ko pa yung luluro. Ito yung oro rin yan.
Challenge.
Pita, oh. Sige, challenge.
Pagi bar. You're not allowed to talk Subanen or Bisaya. You're
Yeah.
gonna only say
Tagalog
Tagalog
and
or
English.
English.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay.
Okay. Let's
I'm
start.
fine. Okay. I'm gonna ask
Ready
you.
na kami.
Mm.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna ask you too. You can't see. You're not.
Pinara mag-blitz. Ang maluyan ay dumani lang. Sa ito pa
Kapag
yung
guting ba
luluro.
ito? Magayang maaon.
Tabunan mo yun
Not
naman
loud. Not loud
Okay.
Subanen.
Okay.
If you're gonna talk Isubanin or Bisaya, I'm gonna hit you like this.
Okay.
Wow!
Alam mo ba ikaw na yan? Tapon mo rin o.
This is a challenge.
Not loud Subanen.
Ito na ba pa yung luluro yan? Talo ako gusto.
What? What?
What loud for you too?
Ito mo!
This you.
Are you
You
kidding?
this.
Not kidding. Because it's really hurt.
Yo, this yo. It's not broken.
This your bro.
Do you know what this is?
Yeah, test. What is a test?
Ano ang test?
What is a test?
That's part is your body.
Ano yung sabi mo?
But
Wrong.
Sabi niya, ang testis daw ay bilat.
Ang bilat ay sa English ay birth canal.
Ang birth canal, yun ang dadaanan ng mga batang pag may mga
Birth canal nga yung sabi
Sinasabi ng birth canal, yung bangag. Birth canal, biyan na laya, like bata.
iwan ko sa inyo.
Your Lord is Bisaya.
Doing na may ito. Oh, Meng! Meng!
Wow. Give me my food.
Oh, Meng! Meng! Oh, Meng!
Time for the room.
Kung may magtatanong sa inyo na
Malibang muna ako. Let's start with the libang.
Hindi dapat
Let's start with
mag-CR,
the CR.
magbabanyo.
so yummy.
Alam niyo guys,
Hindi.
hindi yan masarap.
No, it's so yummy.
Hindi yan masarap.
It's so yummy.
Aray ko.
So yummy.
Ouch. Basta, kung makakainin nyo yan, mapait at matabang.
No! Oh, matabang!
Matabang! Matabang! Ah, matabang! Diba guys? Sakto ako guys.
Portuguese video, guys!
Wala na nga yung star and yung ano sa kanyang ibabaw.
The lights is so very...
Sunlight. Sunlight. Kung alam nyo guys, pagbili ko itong beautiful na ito, 100 lang. ₱100 lang ito guys.
No. I'm not for sale. And no one can buy me. No money can buy me.
Pero bawal daw sa kanya ang pangit. Dapat pugi.
Yes. If you're handsome, you are rich, you're tall, everything is in you, you can get me.
Wow. Joke lang pala.
No.
Yun guys.
No.
Yung sinabi ko guys.
That's... I'm talking...
Dinis.
No?
Dinis Potot?
Oh my God.
Dinis is Potot, not handsome. And
Pero may pugi pa.
Hmm?
and pero
Shut
may
up.
talent naman.
Shut up. Why are you mentioning him? I don't know
Guys.
that guy.
Guys, huwag kayo magkikinig nito. Kahit Tagalog kami, nag-i-English. Hindi naman kami English dito, guys. Alam lang ninyo, guys. Hindi kami English dito. Siya, nag-i-English. Wala namang tao dito nag-i-English. Wala namang Tagalungsod dito. Tingnan mo, guys. Nagpapaganda sa...
Ah, I'm so beautiful. Like... Just like the... Dayari ng pangit. Dayari ng pangit. Oh my God.
Para siya si Dura.
No.
Pero, wangkig lang.
Do you think I'm thin? I'm
Yeah.
fat enough. My body is normal.
My
Normal.
body is
No.
hot.
Oh, I have a bill. This.
No. Huwag kayo magpaniwala
I
dyan,
have a bill.
guys. Dahil,
Oh no!
oh my God, bye-bye, guys.
Wait. I think I'm full storage na.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Hey, ando may idik.
Edik? Edik.
I don't know.
IDK.
I don't care.
ADC.
I don't know.
Alam niyo, guys.
Where's Mary Ann? Why is she aren't here yet? Is she gonna sleep with mother and father? She don't want to sleep with us?
Hindi
Ando
ko
may
guys
HDM.
naiintindihan
Handsome.
kung bakit ito nandito, guys. Isa pala siyang English. Baka anak sa Encantan.
Why
Anak
are
ng
you so
Encanto.
dark? You're so dark. Look. You look
Diba
like
guys, hindi kami kamukha. Kapatid kami, guys.
Of course.
Dahil siya ay anak ng Encanto.
No, how dare you? It should be you. Not
Ampun
me.
lang siya, guys.
I don't care.
Lahat kami magkapatid. Siya lang ang maputi. Kaming maitim
No.
lahat.
No.
Tingnan mo, guys. Nai-English. Pero mga Bisayas naman kami.
It's because the cocoa berry
Visayas,
soap.
Mindanao.
It's
Oh my
Galit
God.
Galit. This is
Gusto
the
lang
cocoa
namin
berry
ang
soap.
sabaw.
Kekeberry. I'm so... Oh my God, James. Where are you? Come here. We're videoing here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm so pretty.
Ang God.
My skin is so very... Oh my God. Even my face is not clear skin.
OMG!
At least I'm still beautiful. I'm so proud to be like this.
Tingnan mo guys. Para siyang naguguluhan sa kanyang